Hello and thank you for watching. My name is Joey Bujold and I'm a practicing Vedic astrologer. I'm excited to bring to the fore a series on YouTube, in-depth series on the Vedic astrology software called Deva.Guru. Deva.Guru is a powerful web-based Vedic astrology application, and it can be used across a number of different platforms, irrespective of whether you're a PC user, Mac user, tablet user, phone user, laptop, computer, you name it. As long as you have internet, you can access your horoscopes. Not only that, it is very sophisticated in terms of everything that it offers for calculations, including a number of different divisional charts or Vargas, different dashas, powerful search functions, muhurta functionality, panchanga, you name it, you've got it. And so the intention here is I'm going to create, rather than doing one long video, a number of different videos, sort of breaking down all of the different facets and components of this software. This software is being updated on a real-time basis. There are periodic updates and changes and new additions. And so by creating this video library here, the idea is that I will be able to change things on the fly if new features are added. So feel free to browse through this video library if you're looking for something specific. Otherwise, I will walk you through all of the functionality of this software step by step.